How to send money through Remitly app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can send money through Remitly app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to send money through the Remitly app, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all, open the Remitly application here. Once you open the Remitly application, just make sure that you're signed into your account, and then you're going to basically see this type of interface here. And once you sign into the account, and you're going to land on this page over here, as you can see, all you need to do is just tap the get started button that you see. Once you tap on this get started button over here, all you have to do is simply make sure to select the payment method from where you would like to send the money and to where you would like to send it to. So basically what you need to do in this case is you have to simply select start over, or you can select continue sending. Select the currency that you want to send and the amount that you want to send here, and just tap on done. Select express or economy. Express is faster. In 3 to 5 minutes your transfer is going to made. If you select economy, it's going to take 3 to 5 business days. So you can select express and pay with your debit or credit card. Tap in the continue option here. Once done, you can see it says how would you like the money to be delivered. Over here you can see bank deposit, UPI, cash pickup, or you can just select bank deposit. You can select the recipient's bank details over here, and then once you've done that, you can enter the details depending upon the recipient and the country that you choose. The process of send is going to be different, and the time could also vary, but to give you a basic idea of the context, this is how you can send money through Remitly app. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.